Hi guys, it's Ann Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with an unboxing. I have been so busy. I got this last week and I'm finally getting around to unboxing. So I'm sorry to my partners that have been kind of waiting for an unboxing. So Tony sent everything in a really fun-filled shred, and she just sent us this beautiful note. Thank you, Tony, once again for hosting the beautiful summer carnival swap. I've been really enjoyed following along. So I'm going to open this first one, and this one is from Anne, and here is her information. Anne Local 71. She's also an Anne, and she received my swap. I just watched her video yesterday, so I'm excited to unbox hers. I'm sorry for the crinkling. And it's been a while since I've opened Happy Mail, so I'm beyond thrilled to do this unboxing with y'all. Here it is. It is a really adorable little popcorn box. I'm just going to put this to the side. And look how cute this is. I'm just going to take that out. Look how cute this is. Adorable little plastic popcorn box. I'm not sure where you got it, but it is stinking cute. Okay, and I'm just gonna slowly take out this item. She included this really cute pink glass beads. I love these for wire wrapping. And then this must be her embellishment like container. So I'm just gonna open this. I wish I had a little tray. Sorry, you guys, if it's more fun just to pour it out. She's really included some fun charms. A little popcorn, some ice cream cones. That's cute. These are some charms I've never seen before. Clouds, little flip-flops. How adorable. Oh, this is so cute. This little charm here. I love this little carousel one. So thank you, Anne. Just gonna move that to the side. And then I'm just gonna take everything out. I think I'm just gonna pour it all out. Oh my God, so much good stuff in here. And beautiful little pink shred. You guys, I'm so excited. It's been a little bit. So all of the fun stuff. So she's given us this little bundle of like pretties. Look at this pom-poms. Then you have the sequence mix. I love this mix. She has like little Disney characters in here. That is truly, Disney is truly summer. I had plans to go to Disney, but I had to cancel it due to what's going on in the world and the chaos, and yeah, but it's okay. Nonetheless, I'll reschedule. But this is a little tubings, which also make your sequence mix really fun. She included this fun bag of double bubble cotton candy flavor. I've never tried this. My son will love this. So thank you so much. Oh, is this your pokey tool? Look how cute this is. I'm gonna move this to the side. It's getting a little distracting. Wow, you included so much fun stuff in here. Okay. Let's see. Can I open this? Yes. Oh, look how cute this pokey tool is. So you got all the fun little dangles. Oh, it says Tony's name on it. I'm not sure. Does this belong to you, Tony? Or maybe it's just because it's your swap. Well, there you go. And I love all the beads you chose. It's so pretty. I love it. A little fun carnival little pokey tool. Let's see what else we got here. You gave so many stickers too. Look at these. She gave us the carnival stickers. Super fun. And then the little balloon, the balloon dogs. So fun. And then, oh, you gave us a cute little pen too. Oh, I love this. Beaded pen. Little ice cream cone. Oh, and here's your little note. I should have read this first. I'm sorry. Just gotta open this up. Look how cute that card is. Hey, crafty friend. I hope you enjoy my swap. I love creating it for you. Anne Loca 71. Thank you, Anne. Let's see. She gave us a washi, a pink checkered washi tape. Oh, and this is her shakers, or this is her embellishment. Oh, man. There's so much good stuff in here. You know what, guys? I made a mistake. So, you know how there's supposed to be a die cut pack? I literally just sent die cuts. I used all my good dies, but I think I made a mistake of just not putting it together, which I was thinking about doing, but I think I'm so rusty, I totally forgot. So anyways, I'm sorry in advance for those who received my my die cut pack, and I hope you bring the die cuts to life. I use my best papers, but again, I'm sorry. And this is this adorable little shaker, popcorn shaker, this hot air balloon. We've gotten some cotton candy. Love that. And she used like a sprinkle paper. So cute. The candy apple. So Carnival. And then, oh, this got a little bent. Here we go. This is the the Carnival tent. I love a little use of pearls. And then again, all of the fun, magical sentiments that describe summer. Love this. See, I'm such a dork. So my apologies. Yeah, I don't know. So I'm working on it. It's like I'm learning how to craft again. I forgot. So I'm acting like a noob these days. So this is that. Oh, and these are her darling little bows. She like quadruple layered them. So cute. Love the colors that you used. And then here is her fun shaker. It's a claw machine. She did a little layering on the bottom and add the gummy bear for what, like, I guess where the money goes. That's fun. And then, is this your bag topper? Oh, look how cute this is. This is the adorable shaker ticket. I love this. So cute. I love the shaker bits in here. I love that sticker. And that is the swap from Anne. Thank you so much, my name twin. Your creations were absolutely fabulous, and I am so blessed to have you in my group. Okay, so next up is, this is from Eve. I know I saw this. Yes, Eve Ada. And I'll leave all of the links down below to everyone. And this says, it's a pleasure swapping. I love this. It's such a sweet sentiment. I love little double twined, oh yeah, wrapping. We'll totally be using this again. So, oh, she's included two little separate things. This unicorn from the Carousel collection, adorable. And then I'm going to take this out. Ooh, look at her darling shred. This is the colors. These are the Carnival colors. So good. So good, Eve. So good. Save all this, because we're all hoarders. Oh, so much good stuff. Okay, so she created like this little beach tote. Love this. I wonder, is this like a KS craft die? Oh, wait. Wow. I don't know what you did here. Wow. Oh, is it like a mini album? Wow. Okay. So on the front, she has this adorable little bow. She has this little hot air balloon, just a balloon. I love this bow. So pretty. And then her little cluster here. There's like a shaker star in the back. And then I love what you did here. I have this dyed too. I love all the little, oh, this is the second time someone's used this sticker. Where did you get this from? Hobby Lobby? I haven't been to Hobby Lobby in like what feels like forever. So I love the decoration of this. And then on the side, she has her little dangle hanging from this. I'm just gonna slowly unravel this. Sorry if you hear a ambulance passing, but I can't redo this video again. So this is her little dangle. Not little, it's actually chunky. Oh my god, so cute. I love all the colors used, and I can just jingle jangle all day long. Love. And I love how you bagged it up to secure the goods. And then here we have like a zebra ribbon. I love this. Wow, what a cool contraption. So she took, I don't know if she used like a mini album and then just, yeah, wow. This is really innovative, I have to say. So in here, this is her shaker. Assuming this is her shaker. So pretty. And I love just how you made it like a mini album. This little pretty cluster. I need to know where this is from. This little strip. That's fantastic. Oh, I love this. Oh. And then she created this little box to be like sit on the middle. Oh, how smart. Love the little layering. And here is her second embellishment, and it's like a little tote. That is so, so, so dang cute. I love it. And then this must be the bag topper. Let me just open. I forget this. Let me open this. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, it's like held up by this little clip. Oh, that's smart. And then, is this the die cut pack? Oh, I see. You gave 2 bag toppers. Oh, I love that. And then I'm assuming, because it feels like there's something in here. Let me peel this off. Yeah. So look at these bag toppers. I love what you did here. Not only 1, but we get 2. So pretty in the little dangles. And then in here, there's like this. Yeah. Oh, just like a little bit of extra ephemeras. You know, carousel is hard to find, so anything is welcomed. Love this. Tickets. So fun. I love this. Thank you so much, Eve. Okay. Put this back together. Love the bag toppers. Wait. Sorry. Okay, let me put this to the side. She gave not 1, but 2. So I love how you kind of consolidated the packaging, because Lord knows I just pack everything way too large, too big. You got to be strategic with this, you know? And then here she created this box, which is like amazing. Included a pack of stickers, the balloon stickers. I love these. And then here, oh my god, I love this. I love how she created her bows. I need to, like, she took packaging. Look how she decorated this. So cute. Oh, this is so good. So good. She used a star and she just put both of her bows on there. This is like professional too. This looks like good as Maggie Holmes original. And then her leather cut bows. I love, 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 love these. Love the box. I love the packaging. So good. I love this like unique compartment thing. And then, and last but not least, she also included this gorgeous card. Oh, this has to be Anna Griffin. Yeah, this looks like Anna Griffin. Like you can tell by the gold paper. Like this is Anna Griffin. Oh. I did really enjoy. Thank you so much, Eve. See? I love this. That little balloon is really cute too. Oh my god, you guys. I am beyond thrilled with all of these beautiful creations from both my swap partners, Eve, Ara, and Anne. Loca71. I'll leave all of their information down below. Again, thanks for watching. Sorry if this video was a little long and kind of bumpy, but bear with me, I'm rusty. And I hope everyone's just happy, safe, as best as you can be. I'm beyond thrilled with all my goodies. I'm going to sit here and just kind of go through it. Thanks for watching again. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.